I'm not rich, but I live like a millionaire. You know I live like a millionaire. You know I live like I ain't got a care in the world. But I do, I care.
And this is the next day after our first week of Cleanup Saturday. It doesn't look like it's much, but it is. We got a table inside that it's a corner table. And I'll show you guys a brand new box with Christmas lights in it. It's a train set, and it's really awesome. But yeah, this is the first week. A lot of aluminum and cable boxes that I got for e-waste. A lot of wires that I cut from vacuums. Yep, and I'm gonna load it up right now into the wagon and take it to the back, and I'll show you guys what else I got. Filled up the wagon. 4 Dish Network boxes, modem, ceiling fan, the hedge trimmer, which is pretty nice. The only thing is it needs a battery charger. There's a couple of car parts in there, like ignitions. I gotta look up and see if they're worth anything. A couple of aluminum. Here's a couple of those ignitions I was telling you guys about. Some of them still have the keys in it. Gotta look them up and see if they're worth anything, you know, spare parts or whatever. But yeah, someone threw this out. There's 5 of them. Got this. I love finding these old cell phones, monitors for like, I think GPS. I love finding this right here. A box full of old little chargers. That's what I love finding. Pretty nice, huh? I'm gonna scrap all that, get the wire, get the brass, and probably get the little transformers in the inside. Light up train I was telling you guys about. Brand new in the box. We opened it to check and see if everything was in there. Everything's still wrapped up in plastic. This thing I checked online was worth 180 bucks. That's us from trying to open it because it's packed in there pretty good. But yeah, I scored on this. I'm not gonna sell it because my mom loves Christmas, and every Christmas we decorate the house really good. So yep, this goes to my mom. Pretty good score, huh? And another thing I found, treasure hunting, that's what I like to call it, treasure hunting on spring cleaning, is this very beautiful 32-inch computer monitor that works perfectly fine. Just as big as my TV I game on, 32-inch. And then this right here, I can't believe I found it. It still works, runs good, and yeah. You guys will be seeing other stuff too that I found, because I found my brother found a corner table, which is still nice. We have it inside the house right now. And I found these Christmas light sets that's brand new in the box, never been opened. That's worth 180 bucks. I checked online. It's a Christmas light display of a train. And I'll show you guys in a little bit. It's brand new in the box, and it's really good.